Welcome to your own private paradise. This unique, tastefully decorated villa is a rare find. Desirable DeVosta Capri's decorated as a charming island cottage with lakefront living and extended screen patio. It features a beautiful glass-lighted front door. The moment you walk in, you feel welcomed with the warm colors and attractive wood-like floors that carry throughout the home. The living room has a wonderful focal point with DeVosta built-in entertainment center with beadboard panels. This wonderful floor plan opens to kitchen with a large breakfast bar and dining area. It is bright and cheery with lots of windows. Skylights were added for natural light. Decorative window valances create a chic look. Tasteful finishes are perfectly coordinated with crown moldings throughout the living areas. Special touches to the kitchen were added. They include tile backsplash, color-coordinated kitchen counters, LG French door refrigerator, glass cabinet doors and decorative window frame art. Master bath has dual sinks, linen closet and large walk-in shower. Walk-in closets with built-in shelving provide ample storage space. Wood-like floors continue to each bedroom with tile in the bath. As you walk into the private paradise on the extended screened enclosed patio, you will be swept away with the tranquil lake views and gentle lake breezes. Plenty of room to entertain or enjoy the relaxing hot tub. Patio teak-like furniture, hot tub and fountain are negotiable. Take a step outdoors to your own private garden with the water.